So basically what we did for this project was the wainscoting. We just took a bunch of wood and cut it down. The size in the middle was going to be, I think it was like 30 and like 1/8 or something. And then the rest of the wood, didn't want to dispose of it. So we just used that into two pieces, I think 10 and 19, somewhere around that area. And then we put drywall compound on the wall to kind of smooth it out. The darker spaces that you see is going to be where it's still drying. So it took us about 2 or 3 days to do this. But we put that around the whole family room. Family room is a mess right now. We let that dry. We put the border on there. Down at the bottom, you see the wood border. We took the regular border off and put down a wood trim down at the bottom. And then we went in, once it was dry, sanded it down, and then put the pieces of wood on there with the top and bottom trim, and put that all around the living room and the spaces where you can see where it's like not connected because we did it too small. We just covered that with wood putty, and we put 2 coats of paint on there. We're not really worried about the paint, all that dust in there. I'm not really worried about the paint on the walls because I'm planning on changing the color of the living room real soon. That's why you see the swatches up there. But we did the double or 2 coats of paint on there, and we were very, very satisfied with the outcome. You can't really see it in this picture because we have the couches there, but we're very, very satisfied with the outcome. That there is one of the other projects that we did, refacing our fireplace and building that mantle. And that top right there, this bench right here, I just wanted to see how it looked. But again, we're not really worried about the paint on the walls because I'm going to repaint, but we were really, really satisfied with the results, and I can't wait to do our next project. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, subscribe, share, do all of those things. Oh, by the way, that mirror up there is from a dresser that I had a long time ago, and I thought that would be the perfect place. So voila.